adding captions. To add captions, we need to navigate to text. And then what we need to do is navigate to transcript so we can transcribe whatever video clip we want to add captions to. In my case, I just want the captions for this first video clip right here. This second one doesn't have any audio, so there's nothing to add captions to anyways. So over here, I just want to make sure my first video clip is selected and then click transcribe. This will usually take a second, and it's really going to take a while if you have a really long audio or video file. Now you guys can see our basic transcription. It does it all automatically for us. Now that we have that done, navigate to captions, create captions from transcript, and here you can select some different settings. I'm just going to select usually what I do. I like to have single line, maximum length in characters. I like to set this to something like 12. Minimum duration, I like to put this all the way at 1.2, and then I can just create my captions. Now you guys can see that our captions are added, so I'll go ahead and play this back so you can see how it works.
Here's a sample file for the Premiere Pro tutorial.
So this is super useful for adding captions to any video, and to edit these captions, what we need to do is select all of them, go into Essential Graphics, and down here we can change the font style, the size, whatever we want. Obviously I don't want it that big, but that was just an example.
Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.